Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to take you along with me as I decorate my cupboard for Christmas using a gingerbread theme. I'm going to start with a Dollar Tree gingerbread house. This one is wood, and I am just using a brown acrylic color to paint it about the same color that gingerbread would be. And I'm going to use some white acrylic for the little icing or snowy roof on here. And we're just going to paint all of the fun details on here to make a little standing sign for the bottom of my cabinet and my dining area for Christmas. I'm going to do the entire thing in a Christmas theme. This one doesn't really have like a bump out for the door, but I'm just going to paint mine on with some red acrylic paint. And I did, the white around the windows as well. A second coat might be necessary. And I got a little crazy with my faux frosting there, so just touching up my gingerbread as well. Now I want to decorate the bottom of this cabinet. I've already showed you how I did the top and the middle, and so this is going to be the final step in the gingerbread cabinet. Once I get it all on there, I did give it a little bit of texture with some Antique Wax by Waverly to give it that gingerbread look. And then I'm going to decorate it with some window decals from the Dollar Tree and some wood beads to represent like candy and the frosting here on the roof. The little candies on the back are so cute. I just glue a wood block, that's a Jenga block from Five Below, on the back to make a standing sign and add it to the cabinet. For the flour, I'm just using my Rae Dunn flour container because it's going to go with the baking theme we're doing on this shelf. The next item is a little cookie jar I found at the Target dollar spot that looks like a gingerbread house. So I think that's going to be perfect for the shelf with the baking theme. And then I found this cute little crock at Target dollar spot. It says Gingerbread Bakery on it. They have the cutest gingerbread things at the Target dollar spot. I'm going to add a few things to it. I found a little gingerbread spatula also at the Target dollar spot and a little mini rolling pin. So I actually got the little rolling pin on clearance, but I think it's perfect for it. I'm just going to add a Dollar Tree gingerbread man to the bin. He can be kind of peeking out of it, and that definitely goes Gingerbread Bakery, right? And I just want to kind of stand this up however works here and display this here in this part of the cabinet. Now, moving on, I have another fun DIY. I picked up this little chalkboard easel from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make it into like a little recipe card on a stand. I designed this free printable gingerbread recipe, and I will share this in the comments below today's video if you would like to recreate. Now, I didn't make it quite big enough, so I just did a little paint around the edges on there to disguise the black chalkboard, and then use Mod Podge to attach it. I printed mine out on cardstock, and then I also Mod Podge on top to completely seal it. I wanted a little ledge here, like, a little recipe card stand, and so I'm just using a little piece of bamboo. I actually get these on Amazon, but you could always use like a popsicle stick or something for that little part. But a little recipe for our baking section. And maybe even a little gingerbread man over here from the Dollar Tree as well. My next gingerbread find is a little gingerbread sleigh that I got at the Target dollar spot with little candy canes for rudders. I thought this was so cute and would definitely go with the gingerbread theme. I'm going to place mine in front of my little gingerbread house there and do a little rearranging here until I'm happy with that part. Now I'm just going to use a baking sheet from my cabinet. I have a nice clean one here. I don't want to do anything to it because it's a nice Farberware pan, but it's going to go with the baking theme, so I just kind of display that towards the back. The final step for my cabinet, I found this cute little gingerbread pennant banner kit from the Target dollar spot, and we're simply going to DIY it. It's probably like a kid's craft, but I don't care. It made my job a little bit easier. And I'm going to string this and put it on the very top of the cabinet, and I will show you how the entire gingerbread cabinet turned out. It was so much fun. Now this did come with like some little candies and stuff like that you can use to decorate them. I wasn't too crazy about the decoration, so I just used a couple of little peppermints. And let me show you how this shelf looks on my cupboard with a little gingerbread baking theme. And here is how the whole cabinet came together. I love it. It's so fun and whimsical for Christmas. If you'd like more Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.